So I proceed with the Plotagon Story app. I would advise you to turn it on your data first when you open the Plotagon Story app. So once you open it, the first thing is sign up. Tap on sign up. Put in any username you want to put. Put in any email you want to put. Put in any password. Put in your email. Put in your password. Then once you do that, once you do that, you tap on continue and just finish the registration. So anytime you are back, you can just always come and sign in here. Now the idea of this signing in is just for you to, in case you want to purchase some stuff on the site, on the app. But I'm actually trying to wait to see if I can hack the app so that all those things that you're supposed to pay for will be for free. So the first thing now is, if you want to create an animation, you tap on this middle icon at the bottom here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will load. Then the next thing is, you will see plots at the top. Just kindly be looking at my hand where this glowing circle is. So at this top where is written plot is where you can start. This is where you see all the animation you have created. While this part that has characters is where you see all the characters you have created and where you can create new character. So first thing you do is, before you start an animation, first thing is think of a script that you want to do. Get the script first, not that you just start. You don't know what to do. You want to just do something trash. So the first thing is you think of what kind of animation you want to do, the storyline and everything. Then the next thing you do is you create your characters that you want to be part of the training. If it is something that pertains to Africa, at least the character should be black, a black guy or something like that. So you have several features you can use. Like if you check here now, these are already made characters, but you can tap on this create new character to create your own Plotagon character. Then just wait. Now once it loads, the next thing it tells you whether do you want to select a male or a female. So let's say I want to customize a female person. The next thing I'll just do is I've tapped on female and it has changed. Then the next thing you do is you tap on this next icon here to select the facial structure of the person. Now, of the person you are customizing. Now they have already built in face structures that you can choose, unlike computer or laptop or PC on that you have to build from scratch, which is very stressful. Just to model the person alone, it can take you like 2 days for you to do only just the design of the face. But this one is already made, so you can choose anyone depending on your choice. So I've just selected some now. Then even if you want to select old person to make the person look somehow old, like an old lady or such, you can just go ahead and do that. While around here you see the skin color, you can use here to choose the skin color. Maybe a black person, a green person, but there's no green person, so just black. Then the next thing is the hairstyle. This part here, you select here, you see the hairstyle. So what you do is you select the hair. There are so many different hairstyles here you can choose. So if you check closely, here means you don't want any hair. So somehow funny, the woman is without hair, very ugly. You can choose bald hair. But if you take good look, you see that some of them are looking somehow transparent, while some are looking very clear. So like this one is very clear. That means it's already there. Once I select it, it will just pop up. But this one are looking as if it is transparent a bit. It means you have to download them. So you have to use your data to download. Just tap on it and it will download. You just wait for it to download. You can choose as many hair as you want. Just select any one you want. So basically, I will choose something like, let me choose like this because I'm using a woman. Then the next thing is you can choose the hair color. So brown, red, whatever you are cool with. Then the next one is you want to choose the beard structure. Since this is a lady, I'm not going to choose any beard, but just for the sake of sampling, I will just pick a beard to use. Let me see. So I just picked a beard, and the woman has thick beards now. Well, I don't want any beard. So once you select it, you can actually choose the beard color anyhow from this down part here. Now I don't want a beard. Then the next thing is the eye structure, how you want the eye to be like. So you can choose the eye, green, blue eye, or whatever the case is, red type of eye. Then the the eye mascara, the eye shadow that ladies just normally apply on their eye. You can use this one to select. Then let me change the lady's skin color to white so that it will be very clear. All right, so back to the eye section. So you can select different style of since you're dealing with a lady, you can pick anyone from here. Then this one is the eyebrows, how you want it to be like. You select, then here is the lip, the color of the lip. Anyhow you want it to, any color you want for the lip, you do. Then accessories, the eyeglass and all that. You can tap on that to choose eyeglass. See, there are so many here, and you can download anyone you want to. While you can download, so you see different stuff. Aside the ear is not for only eyeglass. You're gonna see like chain, earrings and all that. See, there are so many here. You can choose, and when you select anyone, you can pick a color from this down part to choose. So you just select, and here you're gonna see cap and all that. Different accessories. Let me try this one. For example, let's say you want to deal with someone who is a musician, or your character you want to post someone who is a musician. Then you just have to use this very one here. And while it is downloading, let me move to the next one. Shirts. You can go ahead and choose shirts for your character. There are so many shirts. All these ones are showing something like a shopping icon. That means you have to buy them. So if someone actually gives you a work to do, then and the person is paying you well, then you can go ahead and buy all this stuff when they are paying you well for the work. So, but just for the sake of this training, we'll just be using a sample shirt and all that. You can see I'm back to this eyeglass. You have different stuff here you can choose, different helmets and all that. So there are so many you can choose, but they are not free, just that. So anyone that does not have that shopping icon around it, that means it is actually free. So you can choose trousers. This one is for shirts. You can choose the type of shirt this lady should wear. There are so many types. Look for the free ones you want to use, and use this part here to choose the color. But just for the sake of the training, I will just pick a random one. Let me see. So there are so many shirts. And you can go ahead and choose the color of the shirt. And the next thing is the trouser. The same way you do for the shirt, the same way you do for trouser, and the same way you do for select for shoes. And the same way, if you tap on this one is for shoe. Then the next one is the conversation, the voice. So this voicing, if you want more voice, you have to go and buy it. But for now, we'll just be dealing with the free one. Then the name of the person, you can come here, tap on this A icon here, then you rename it to whatever you want to rename. That's the name you'll be calling them when you want to include them in your design. Then if you could check here, if you want to snap this person, you can use this. First of all, you can just drag this part to see their back, their front, how they look like. While this camera icon at the top here, top right corner, you can just tap it to snap the character. So let's say I just want to snap the face. I bring the face closer. I tap on the camera icon at the top right corner to snap the person. So you can snap the character. While there are so many. Okay, we'll get to this one later. But just for the sake of sorry. All right, so this next one is the color of the background. You can change it just to see your character very well. And when you are done, you tap on this back. So once you tap on back, it will save the character automatically. So that is how to customize your cartoon character. So you could see, if you check here, this very part here, you see that the characters appeared here. So you can do as many characters as you want. So any animation you want to do, create different characters, unique different characters. So that's that for character customization first.